Okay, so you guys, never knew something like this existed. I don't know how I came across this, but I am so glad that I did. This little mini desktop vacuum cleaner honestly works, and I'm like really shocked. So in my bedroom, I have a lot of mirrored pieces. My fireplace, my vanity, and I have, like, you know, the crushed diamond theme. So I have a lot of mirror and glass, and then I have these shelves here and these shelves here. You know, they tend to collect dust fairly quickly. But I do have the little Swiffer, you know, little Swiffer handle that really honestly does the job. But when I saw this, I was like, you know, I have to give this a try. So you put batteries in it, okay? I'm one-handing this, so I'm not going to be able to show you everything, but I just want to show you how this works. Now, I would say be careful. These little bristles are very tightly compacted, so they feel stiff, and they can probably be abrasive if you press down too hard. So just be mindful of that, of the surface that you use this on. So there's a little on-off switch right here. You turn it on. Do you hear that? So I have used this, and I have just taken it and have just gone over when I walk past my glass, and I'm like, ooh, you know, I'll dust, and then the very next day, I don't know if you can see the difference. Let me see if there's, okay, look, you see, there's a little dust here. And believe it or not, I honestly just dusted this. So I'm going to go over this and show you the difference. Gone. I know you see that, right? The dust is gone. It's amazing. So I'm going very gently with it, just lightly. I'm not pressing down. And do you see that? The dust is gone. I'm going to try to open this. Oh, good. One hand. So you can see, because I have not cleaned this out. I've used it a couple times so that you can see for yourself. See that dust? That came off of the surface of my fireplace, my vanity, and my nightstands. Time to clean it. Get you one.
So you can see that this is the cover off. And I've tried multiple AA batteries, different ones, to see if they'll fit. And this side always seems to do fine. You just slide it in, no problems. But when I'm trying to put it in this side, doesn't matter which way I do it, it's always this side will pop out, even though it's in. And these things, I don't know why they're made to pop out, but they do. So whenever I try to put something in, it's very hard to put in. And then when I do, it pops this piece out, which you need to have power. And then when I try to do it the other way, like having that in first, press down as hard as I can, it immediately pops this thing out. And then, yeah, see, I just ruined my AA battery. A little piece came off of it.
Without having to get out a large vacuum cleaner. I especially recommend it for people who work from home and want to keep their desks clean. Students or people in small rooms where you don't want a bulky appliance. Hobbyists, crafts, sewing. Model making who accumulate small debris on their work surface. Pet owners who have pet hair around their workspace. I would definitely buy it again. I give it 5 stars.
Not waste my money. Does it pick up some crumbs? Yes. Does it do a good job? No.
Take a little table salt. Shake it. I don't know if you can see that. It's not quick, but it does the job.
Okay guys, I'm obsessed with this little baby handheld vacuum. See the mess right here? Here's my little baby vacuum. Turn it on. Crumbs are gone.
Okay, this little thing has come in such handy. It's literally just a counter vacuum. You can turn it on, go over the spot. Pick them all up. Easy to clean. it.